In the 1950s, an infamous incident occurred in which a well-known chemical plant illegally buried waste perfluorooctanoic acid in an agricultural field, causing contamination of drinking water. PFOA is a persistent organic pollutant and was officially listed as a regulated chemical under the Stockholm Convention on Persistent Organic Pollutants by the Conference of the Parties in the year 2019. PFOA is a vital substance used in the production of Teflon because of its acid and alkali resistance, corrosion resistance, and non-hydrophilic and non-lipophilic properties. It has been widely used in household products since World War II. PFOA, and other POPs, contribute to the convenience of our modern lifestyles. However, they can disperse widely and linger for a long time in the environment, accumulating in the fatty tissues of living organisms, including humans. The Stockholm Convention on Persistent Organic Pollutants is an international convention on environmental protection to protect human health and the environment from the hazards of POPs. Recognizing the threat of POPs, the Stockholm Convention entered into force on May 17, 2004, requiring signatory parties to take measures to eliminate or reduce the release of POPs in the environment. Although Taiwan is not a party to the Stockholm Convention, it has many developed high-tech industries, and is an indispensable member of the global village. In 2008, interministerial agencies in Taiwan jointly developed the National Implementation Plan for the Stockholm Convention on Persistent Organic Pollutants, which was subsequently approved by the Executive Yuan. With the rolling revision of the Convention's regulatory trends, the plan serves as a basis for domestic management on POPs.
环境检验所从95年到现在，平均每年调查3到4条河川，目前已经调查大约40条河川。河川中全氟化物的浓度其实是非常低的，因此我们通常需要一些比较高灵敏的仪器，像是异相层析串联式质谱仪来进行分析。这也跟国际的趋势是相同的。那从民国95年到现在，在国际管制的公约的状况下，全氟化物像 PFOA 跟 OS 的确有持续下降的趋势，是比较朝向比较好的发展。
POPs have a stronger resistance to biodegradation, photolysis, and chemical decomposition. Therefore, when they are released into the environment, decomposition is difficult. Because of the persistence and bioaccumulation of POP substances, the span and scope of control need to be meticulous, and interministerial cooperation is critical. Take DDT as an example. Taiwan's Council of Agriculture banned DDT as a pesticide under the Agro-Pesticides Management Act. The Ministry of Economic Affairs tightened regulations under the Foreign Trade Act. The Ministry of Health and Welfare established the standards for pesticide residue limits in animal products to monitor the safety of foods that come to market. The Environmental Protection Administration banned DDT under the Toxic and Concerned Chemical Substances Control Act, and then established control standards or indicators through the Effluent Standards and Soil Pollution Control Standards, and tested and investigated its distribution in the environment from time to time as required.
食安的问题呢，中央商部卫署都非常重视，它每3个月会召开一次环境保护与食品安全的协调汇报。然后举个例子来说，如果环保署它对工厂的烟道有测到大药氢的时候呢，它也是马上要通报农委会跟卫福部那农委会呢就会针对烟道的周围污染潜是比较高的区域呢去做农作物的监测。那如果说测到大药氢，马上就铲除。那卫福部呢也会针对生产地可能流到这个市售的部分的这个农产品呢去做抽验，不合格一样是下架。那环保署呢，它会持续会监督来要求这个工厂的要把烟道的这个大药氢排放要改善。所以透过商部卫署这样的一个合作呢，我想消费者可以放心。
After 2017, the Stockholm Convention emphasizes the sound management of chemicals and waste, and that management at the source should be accompanied by recycling management. For example, polychlorinated biphenyl was among the first substances to be listed. The convention encourages parties to eliminate PCBs from their facilities by 2025, and to manage PCB-containing waste in an environmentally sound manner by 2028. Taiwan's current PCB management policy is mostly in line with the convention's schedule and practices, and the use of PCBs was completely banned in 2001. In addition, the use of capacitors or transformers containing 1,000 parts per million or more of PCBs has been discontinued, in accordance with the regulations.
早期多氯联苯泄漏污染食用油，造成民众健康受到危害。在各部会的合作下，了解这些污染是从绝缘油管路泄漏，我们共同进行相关的使用清查，先做部分的限制使用，在不影响民众生活制造生产的情形下，将使用多氯联苯作为绝缘油的电器设备要求调整汰换。现在到了110年止，还是有暂存3700多吨，这些我们仍然要逐年清理，直到解除列管为止。未来，我们废管处也会关注斯德哥尔摩公约的最新发展，与公约列管的各种持久性有机污染物，来调整相关法规条文。
To mitigate the impact of harmful substances on society and the economy, the Stockholm Convention carries out an assessment stage for suspected pollutants. Industries are stepping up their efforts to move forward towards more environmentally friendly practices. The hazards of POPs have attracted widespread international attention. As an important country in the global tech sector, Taiwan is actively following the international rules. As we enter a new era, we must not only think about how to improve our lives, but also the sustainability of Earth will be an important issue for us all.